Hello friends, today we are checking write a C program to print the prime numbers up to n. So whatever we are given the input number, we need to print the prime numbers up to that number. Suppose we are given limit is 10, so we need to print it 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 7. We need to give it 20, then we need to print like up to 90. So here we can given one limit here in the limit printf enter your limit. You can give one slash n also. Then scanf percentage d. You can give and limit. So we are inputting one limit, right? So suppose we are giving 10, then we need to print 2 to up to 7 we need to print, right? So in this case, we need to check 2 to up to 10 in a loop. So we need to check the 2 to up to this limit. We need to check in a loop. And inside that, we need to check 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 4 is a prime number. Like that, we need to check. So in this case, we need to implement the logic of prime number logic, right? Okay. So we can check like that. So here in this for loop for int I is equal to 2, I less than or equal to limit, right? Then I plus plus. Inside the loop, we need to implement the prime number logic, right? So we need to check this I is prime number or not, right? So in this also we can use that for loop, right? Prime number logic we are using for loop, right? So inside that we are checking for int j is equal to, we can start from 2, right? J is equal to 2. We need to check. Suppose we are given 10. So suppose this I is equal to 10, then we need to check it 2 to n by 2, like 2 to 5. We need to check the 2 to 5. It can be divided or not, right? So int j is equal to j less than or equal to I by 2, right? I by 2, then j plus plus. Here we can check, right? Here we need to check the mode, right? If I mod j equal to 0, then it is not a prime number, right? So here we can put one flag here, flag equal to 0. Here we can put flag equal to 1. So this is not a prime number, right? Flag equal to 1. Then we can break this for loop, right? Then we can take this for. Okay. So we are given 10, then it will check. First time it will check the 2. So j is equal to 2 and j less than 2, 2 by 2 less than equal to 1 only, right? So it will not check inside this loop. So 2 will come here, right? So here we need to check, print that prime number. If flag equal to 0, so then we can print f, right? Print f percentage d space, comma, what is the prime number? I, right? I is a prime. So 2 will come, it will print this, print of, next time it will increment to 3. It is starting from 2. J is equal to 3 by 2. That is also 1 only, right? Because it is integer, right? So it will not go to inside this. So that also will print. But it will come increment to 4, then 4 by 2. Then it will come here and it will break, right? So it will break and it will print. Okay. Next the number will increment it to 5, right? So it will check here and it is not mod by 0 and it will come to print here, right? There also one problem is there. We can just run this code and we can check. So we will build and run, enter your limit 10. See, 2, 3 only printed, right? 2, 3 is correct. 5 not printing. So what is the reason? So it will come to 4. That time it will flag equal to 1, right? Flag equal to 1 and it will break that loop and it will print here also. The next time 5 it will come, so it will come at that time also the flag equal to 1 only, right? So we need to reset this flag, right? That's right. So here you can put flag equal to 0. Okay. Then we can check, build and run, just done. It will something like 2357, right? 2357, right? We need to print up to 30. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 22, 20. Correct? Next we can print up to 100. 2, 3, 5, 7, 29, 31, 37, 41, 47, 53, 71, 89, 97. Right? So this printing property update. Okay, thank you guys.